Well guys, good morning. Welcome back to Wanting to Racing. Today is Bugtoberfest. We're off to Chirco. Unfortunately, I couldn't get Black Betty going. Deeper I got into it, more issues I found. So I'm gonna fix that later on, but we're off. We're taking Rally Bug to Chirco right now, which is clear across town. And we'll take you along for the drive. Well guys, we made it.
Yeah, we did.
Let's go check out some cars.
Hey guys, we made it home. It was an awfully fun time over there at the... let me get out of Rally Bug. At the car show. Saw a lot of cool VWs, and of course the #1 VW there was Rally Bug. It is literally a 30-mile drive there, 30-mile back, and that's the longest I've driven Rally Bug since I put her together. So there she is. Awesome little car. Had a lot of fun. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and subscribe to the channel, like, comment. You know what to do. Everyone have a wonderful day. Thank you.